Hey guys, it's Tim with Small Water Fishing and Survival. Today, I just got this in the mail. Haven't opened it yet, a little excited. Got the Survival Kit Parachute Pack. It is military surplus. I've never opened one before. We're going to see what's in it. Right now, right off the bat, it's sealed in a piece of nice plastic. Heavy duty, we're going to open that. I'm going to try and open this in a way, too, where I can reclose it if I can as much as possible and put it in a bag or a car or somewhere where it can be useful. So as you can see, it says Survival Kit Parachute Pack on it. Bunch of serial numbers, and manufacture date was 2018. Oh, pull to open right here. The bag is made out of nylon. It's just sewn here at the end, so we're gonna pull to open. Right, now it's in a piece of foil. Oh, it's foil bag. It's foiled sealed wrapper. Assuming I pull on that. Inside this is a small box. If I can get it out. Again, I'm trying to do this in a way where I could repackage it. In the box says Survival Kit Parachute Pack, serial numbers, and a manufacturing year. So we'll open it. First thing we got here is a set of instructions. Save the parachute and cores. The matches must be ignited by striking along the striker strips. The fire starting pads can be ignited by striking along the striker strips, or they can be lit with a match. The matches are not water resistant. Keep them dry. Thread for needles can be obtained from inner cord of parachute suspension line. In other words, paracord, the inside strands. Contents: matches, fire starters, striker strips, a knife, needles, steel wire, compass, fish hooks, and a water bag. Oh, we're going to open this. Just taped. Together. I'm not sure I want to take a knife to this, so it looks like we're taking a knife to this. What do we got? A non-lubricated condom. I'm assuming that this is the water bag, your water vessel. You got your steel wire, I would assume to make traps with if you need to, snares. And here we have the knife, which says Imperial on it. Hold it closer to the camera. And is also taped closed. Peel this tape off, see what we got. For blades on here, it looks like it's going to be just your standard trapper's knife. Oh, well, that's why it's taped. With the knife, they've hidden 2 needles in there. So you've got 2 sewing needles. So the knife's got 3 blades. We've got the main blade, smaller, two smaller ones. This one just another blade. Yep. So it's your basic trapper's knife. So you got a knife for skinning, main knife for work. It's not a bad little pocket knife. It does say Imperial Schrade on it, on the blade. It is not a locking knife though. Next thing we got is a small button compass that is wrapped around with some pretty heavy cord around one of the foil packets, assuming so that you can wear it as a necklace. Wear it around your neck so you don't lose it. And it feels like a pretty heavy compass. The first foil packet, we'll see what's in here. This is pretty heavy foil. Like, this isn't like aluminum foil. This is...
Looks like gaffer's tape.
Yeah, it looks a lot like gaffer's tape. Something you can cook in if you want to needed to, I guess. Here we got some matches. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matches total. And 1 striker. We're going to keep those in there. We'll set that to the side. The next one is another set of matches and another striker. Set that there. I'm not even going to open that one all the way. Now we got a smaller one. Which has a strikeable fire starter in it. That's handy. Help you get a fire going. I'm assuming the rest of these are the same. But we're gonna check. 'Cause you never know. Yep, that's another one. Third one. So you got 4 fire starters that are strikeable. All in little aluminum cases. So far, nothing I'm seeing in here will keep any of this dry. So if you're in a really wet environment, you'd have to find a way to keep all this dry. Worst comes to worst, you can always use your non-lubricated condom. One more thing in here. Got some fish hooks. Got 3 of them, all different sizes. I'm not going to end tape these. I'm going to leave that attached. Because like I said, I want to try and save this. They come around in your loops. So you can use this and some cordage from a paracord is what you're supposed to use, I'm assuming, along with a stick. Make yourself a small fishing pole, or you could just make a hand line. You even have the cord if you needed to make a short one from the compass. But there you have it. You have the Survival Kit Parachute Pack. Found this on eBay. I love doing military kits. Love getting them. Love opening them, especially ones where I'm not sure what's in it like this. It's the first one I've had in a while, so if you would like, share and like the page, please, and have a good day, guys.